yeta imaleda we wa bela wa bi yuwa wa sun we de na woro wa ready wa this is my regime. Obaseki, I stand for him 24 hours. He can love one mana one 2 hours on the Miguna. Only la Jama, Imani Asen in Niwa, but Denko, Wadi near me, Wadi Moon Daname, Agba Bogba way. Now, I walk Bogba way to make sure where I eliminate on our every black company, I walk 1 hour. Wow, I will was very denisimu ita said your way. Anybody at all, if you are in APC, and you don't want to help our governor, and you don't want to stand for our governor for the betterment of the Edo, if you that was said, okay, yeah, sir. If you that was okay, yeah, sir. Wow, sire. Or I'm doing that was okay, yeah, sir. Because he has done a great job for the Edos. And let's praise him. Let's give him that opportunity to rule that second term.
Brothers and sisters, give me a second. Kataka.
Obaseki, I stand for him 24 hours. He can love one mana 2 hours on the Miguna. Only la Jama, Imani Asen in Niwa, but Denko, Wadi near me. Wadi Moon Daname, Agba Bogba way. Now, I walk Bogba way to make sure where I eliminate on our every black company, I walk 1 hour. Wow, I was very denisimu. Where do I go to another one of Gumbu? Magwali for me where Muechi Pa, Igwe Pagwan.
As you can hear that was Obaseki campaign manager in Europe, Oyamba Edi Novidausa. As Obaseki continue to spread our money, to share our money, in Nigeria. So he went to Abuja. He paid everyone that vote against Oshomole 1.5 million. Less than 3-4 hours, Obaseki spent 300 million plus Edo State taxpayer money. 300 million plus. Here we do. Kataka.
Ijo de sera nyaga nyaga, ijo de chopa jabo jabo. Our money, I don't say money. Our money, God do the chopa nyaga nyaga. Ijo de sera nyaga nyaga, ijo de chopa jabo jabo. Our money, I don't say money. Our money, God do the chopa nyaga nyaga. Because people if you go where God Ijo de sera nyaga nyaga, ijo de chopa jabo jabo. Our money, I don't say money. Our money, God do the chopa nyaga nyaga. Ijo de sera nyaga nyaga, ijo de chopa jabo jabo. Our money, I don't say money. Our money, God do the chopa nyaga nyaga. Ijo de sera nyaga nyaga, because people if you go where God
Yeah, God bless you, Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu, for standing for the poor citizen now. I wish people listen to me 2 years ago, 2 years plus ago, about 3 years ago now, when I told them that Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is a bad way, it's a problem. But people did not listen to me. Governor Godwin Obaseki and a terrorist Abat Obaze were the so-called reason after Kotisugbo was arrested that a lot of Edo people become a victim of vulgar language. You understand what I'm saying? If they were not supporting Governor Godwin Obaseki, supporting the radical scam autocratic policy of Governor Godwin Obaseki, they would not have been a victim of vulgar language. In another word, insult. However, you can notice, like a couple of hours ago, Godwin Obaseki supporters become so agitated. They are angry. They become bitter. Like Edo State belongs to them alone. Edo State belongs to everybody. Not for one person or for one group. Now, they have went to what we call scam campaign, scam doctrine. They doctor your video. There's a video they put over there, Abad, put over there. Because of Abad, that is why Governor Obaseki will continue to receive insults. Abad Emite Obaze is a cause to Governor Godwin Obaseki. And a body here. You know what I'm saying? When our father, Oba Atokpe, he said, Enoje of Uromi, or Atokpe, he said, when the Enoje of Uromi was suspended, they said these people, they said, it wasn't Obaseki, Oshomuleo, I am a freedom fighter. I fight for those who cannot fight for themselves. I am the voice of the voiceless, the defender of the defenseless. I don't compromise my value and my call. I stand for the truth and I fight for the truth. It don't matter. Only one place I will not dare go is our home. Owerema. Even our sunu yone and our guakere iye. Baba wa talk by iye. And I have a proof of that. 2017, I'm going to show people this now. When Obaseki finally found out that I know a lot about him, he decided that there was no way they could handle me because he has no wisdom of leadership. And I'm going to bring this right here for everybody to see. This is 2017. This is the post about Obaze made 2017, September 18, 2017. I want to zoom it very big so that everybody can see it. You can see it. This is YouTube. Okay. This is 2017. Look at the date. When I was fighting for the Enoje of Uromi, there's no doubt I will always support the traditional ruler over politician. I insulted them, fine, because they insulted our traditional ruler. Abat Obaze went there and he told me and put it on his post 2017 September 18. Others were at Yohioba or we a year Yohioba. That is 2017. If you had to, this is how they silent people. This is the reason why Etimothy must be stopped. Because that is the tactics, the evils used on the honest people. Owe, wakati Orionba. Eddie Murphy told me that he's very close to former Umada. Former Umada Tokbe, he said, he said he's very close to him, that anything he asked him to do, that is what he will do. That if anybody talk to him, he will turn him to Orionba. But I have a bad news for you, Eddie Murphy. Since 2017, that is when Abatobaze and Obaseki have been cooking it. Look at it. This is not fake. It's an ABBA page. Go and look for it. So it's not a new thing. Reva. Let me bring it out so that the whole world can see it. You see, from 2017. So Albert called me on a Facebook call. He said, Iranomihu, they have been planning, they have been waiting for me to say any word so that they can just put me in a problem in palace. He said, but you have been so very lucky. I said, it's not lucky. My father did not tell me when you cook soup, you use a bath. Lucky. Or walk out sober Mohian free war, I will be the only, and I will go to Bini as a hero in Jesus' mighty name. Then I said, I supported Comrade Adam Ali Oshomule for 8 years in the office. You can go and ask people, ask Comrade Abibe, ask people that know me. I supported him for 8 years. I supported Buhari first time. When Comrade Adam Ali Oshomule brought Obaseki, that is when I become angry. Because when you suffer and work hard, you will not allow another person to come and reap the fruit of your labor. Obaseki came to reap the fruit of Orionwa labor and Water labor. Water and Orionwa is the same. He reaped the fruit of our labor. And I knew it from the story. Iwanaso Obaseki Ologbosere Kiwoba Hawaye Iyasuma Gbowepo Iyasiamenokbado. I've been listening to Edo history. I have known that name called Obaseki was a betrayer to the Benin Kingdom, and I had that anger in me. A betrayer is a betrayer. I knew Obaseki was coming to create problem in Edo State. Obviously, Obaseki have made me become the most how do I call it? The greatest prophet of all time. Everything I said about him comes true. Even where Pastor Osage said Yamu Pa Ogemoyi, we are vying for the same post. I know it, that this is an opportunity for Orionwa people. I will go to work in about a few minutes. When you write that thing one more time, I will block you. That is not your business. What do you have, man? So I knew that hope is coming to Orionwa. After the Pebuzo Ogemoyi, they use Pa Odubu to dismantle Pastor Osage Ezeyamu. They betrayed. I supported Pastor Osage. I left APC. I'm an independent man. I support APC. I support PDP. I left APC to support PDP because of Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki. When Saturday Willehwe, former commissioner of NDDC, when he told me to support Obaseki, or where Naya supported, I sow a seed. And I what seed? How can you tell me to go and sow seed for Orionba? One thing that our parents, our grandparents told us, Orionba is Orionba. Once you betray palace already, you have a betraying blood. My grandfather did not tell me once you are Orionba, you will not later become Osioba. No. Everything I learned it from my grandfather, my late grandfather. He raised me. I was raised by my grandfather and my grandmother. So, to shorten the whole story, when Saturday, Uwulewe told me that, I was bitter. Say, Saturday, me that come to you that we should join hands together and develop our local government and across, and spread that development across the state. And Saturday told me, okay, Gawawe, on our Boyuton. Later, I saw how they betrayed Pastor Sage Zeyamo. I have not spoken to Pastor for more than 2 years now because I was angry that, Pastor, how can you concede election that you won? You won this election. Fight for it. I become bitter. I flew from America to go and support Pastor Sage Zeyamo. You can ask all the dignitaries in Ewesi. That was the first time Orionwo, they held an election with no even one bullet on the air. My brother worked for Odubu. He's in Manchester right now. General, everybody knows him. He worked for Odubu. Osabweki, General, Mode Ogbebo, Honorable Mode Ogbebo. He worked for Odubu. Even when we were in the field, I told him, hey, Igo Nanu Wagana. Ogafo and Ogu woman. You're not for Gua. I told him. So I did everything. But today, what I told them 3 years ago, is it not what is happening today? Now, Pastor Odubu, Osato de Wulekwe, everybody, they are not in one umbrella. How could that be true? Meno Wuhahere. Me, the small boy, small child. I'm their son. I'm Orionwo's son. How can what I see 3 years ago, they are just not noticing it in 2019? How could that be? Today, immediately after they told me that we should beg our palace to reinstate the Onoji of Uromi, in Aswan, I started begging our palace. Oba talk by Baba Wesi. And less than 2 weeks, 3 weeks, the Onoji of Uromi was reinstated. It baffled me. It was a disgrace to Obaseki and terrorists about Obase to inject the Onoji of Uromi into these shenanigans, into this problem that Obaseki have created for himself. But Obase now went and spit on the people of Esa face and doctored that video and posted it on his page. I fought for the traditional rulers. Bam! Itori. All my videos are there. Go and check them. I don't delete video like he did. He deleted a lot of his video. I have sent my people to go down and pull all his video out. Listen, what thing you will not do? I am a uniformer. A jailer. It's not easy to be called a detention officer or a correctional officer. Everybody has a T-way. I am a fearless mega comrade. The tiger and the lion combine. Here are your one way. Etimo awe. Ogo yari rena to a domo. Irrespective way. Uya hame. Umakoko me. Ira wele dead bokoko me. Imari yosa. Igwo wa. Ama when you are to boy you away. Did that destroy your home? Did that borrow money from you? No. Hell no. Then these people decided continue to attack me. They destroy my money. They threaten to assassinate me. That led to the problem. Listen, Obaseki arrest of Kotisugbo and Edopayi led to the problem between me and Obaseki. Obaseki problem, it create problem for me and Tony Kabaka. But Obaseki was the engine of that problem. It was the engine. There, that is what led to the problem of Park Kaptirosa. And all, I think it's less than 11 people in Edo. 11, less than 11, not to talk of a day that also we insult the whole Edo people compared to 11. Obona gbera ashekegbe ya mi awa wa lo ye baba wa la wo waregui mayare harapane. We are not in the same spot. This is what I was fighting for. Oshomole was a man that I respect until he brought Obaseki and shoved it down to our throat. The reason why I forget about that, Colonel Umar stated in 1990, he told Babangida, he said, it's not how far you have walked on the wrong road. When you are walking on the wrong road and you realize it that the road you are walking on, it has no end. It's a dead road. Retrace your step back and follow the right road. When I saw APC National Chairman Adam Aliu Oshokwek, a man that we know that this step he have taken is the wrong one. APC National Chairman, former Edo State Executive Governor, Comrade Adam Aliu Oshokwek, retrace his step back from Obaseki, decided to follow the right road. I said, glory be to God. Glory be to God. Comrade Tony Kabaka retrace his step. He said, I was following my father, Oshomole. Comrade Tony Kabaka told me, he said, Ranomigo, go and apologize to Park Kaptirosa. I did exactly. Oh, no, you take it. I came out to apologize to everybody. Instead of Kaptirosa, I apologize to everybody. That is what we have asked Edi Owo Haidausa. No one will block Bedoya for 3-4 days now. He refused to apologize to Benin people. He refused. There, we saw Shaba turn around and retrace their step. We saw Osakbama Erieno Moles. He retraced his step and followed the right road. And remember what I told you a couple of months ago. I told you my brother. When I say my brother, my Wesi brother, Chief, Honorable Chief Victor Ekato, that he have never joined a losing team in his life. Remember that word. That he have never joined a losing team. How can my brother that I saw, he always made the right decision. Also funny, or you know here. I look at it and say, thank God. My brother did not follow. When he was following Obaseki, me and my brother with the quarrel. If I'm not doing the wrong thing, my brother have right to be angry with me. Or tell what you I mean that time me. What we settle is over. I said, yes, my brother is on the right track. I love Oshomole. I was bitter for. I insulted him. I said, how dare you? How dare you suspend traditional rulers until when we realize how everything happened? We say, okay, we are sorry. Today, as of Sunday, November 24th, I am here to tell all Edo people, whoever have found themselves in the crossfire of vulgar language, I personally apologize once again. Opona boyo ya sekegbe. O pe arowe yen sakmo ya isabi wa laye mi. O pe arowe ewe gbegbe. Gi ori se isabi wa laye mi. As far as aweri ma yi ma mu diane we ekelo mamari. Oh, God, we know your baseki. Undano, Ogbetino, Emma Bo, Emma We, Every your pa, or mamma, your parado, do, or scam ya. Oh, ye. Mewetoya Hawari or no. Every man about top way, honor ye listing a Godwin know your baseki. Or he listing every do. Viewana yi winner. Ivivena ne winner. Ukbeva wo wakbana wo wakbana. Godwin know your baseki o matari. Our father is not a politician. He will always be with the city governor. Eki alati adoka mo wawe. Onora gelegele. Wo kwe gelegele sunu. Godwin know your baseki. Egwara tie anawela wo. What did Godwin tell the palace? What about talk by or what born? A wapa. Igi hona, ayona, feme. Or what born? But or tie Dennis Deco itausa. Or wohan, Orion Bana. Ona Buruaye chief. Osamede Adu, Ayobaha of Benikidon. Or what boroma, but no this support of Basekina on a buruan, on a bedoya. Yeah. Now we move on you down. A couple of who born away mo near Avionima, Amamio Kawo, Amamio Devo, Upia Wakbana. 3 years. All the investment, if you doubt me, now Tiwamo will be pulling everything about terrorists, about Obase we are posting. Governor do this, governor launch this. 3 years now, go and forget about what I'm saying. You will see the fact. Obaseki 0/0. Obaseki have no respect to our palace. When Pakato Osa was supporting Obaseki, I knew that these people, they don't know this man. But thank God, oh, Obaseki, no betray the gua. O Mazateke, o Manera, a sage, no betray the guade, do akbe malele, even not bad. God bless you, Freddie, no more. Even not bad, oh. O no say the betray the guabawu hegbe. Amari uviye. O makeke ne Obas a Godwin, no say the fuel guani. Or itime ya go by your mammy can. Or tell me what your will, mother. Or sit up. Or what your way. Or mammy can. Or be yever. Or a guardian by 15 years. 15 years. Or mammy can. A set of time. Or la. A set the new mother. Igodaru mother talk by. Or your will, mother. Ianari. Amamioka me to be me merieva irieva ravene irie ya yesku ya mioteme the 1980s ojo wo mada 50 carbon or yeme ogmono ya wa sewa owe total okay abeme gere owe total mave baba ma yugele le mare Itota vegwala ya hoy or even tota ke secretary. Itota office secretary wa do my hemen we hemen ya. Wani we do ya river. I egwa or remain do college. Vi kikwere na baba when we in school na ari egwa. I went to the palace and tell my brother to join with for my father said you should put me in school. He said to chiefs with PTC, Benin Traditional Castle, motto, I had him at school, Edo College. When he put me in Edo College, my uncle, former principal of Benin Technical College, Okundia, J.E. Okundia, said, no, I don't want you to go to Edo College. I was already in the Edo College. He came to remove me from Edo College to Niger College. When my friend is the principal of Niger College, go to Niger College, he may get family. And we are close with a school from Niger College. He walk, he will walk. He gonna go in the ala moto. Yeah, walk here at palace. Yeah, he said, "Gwa." He bottom was out of Baba. He go there, brother. He go there, brother. He go for the way. Or you go, or you me. He came back by. You walk cross Obama market. He wa la moto. He didn't say. Ya mi okundi ya se va ma la moto. Mariugbo. Ya lele Mariugbo. A weekend, he Daniel Eloy. He ma yure ni boy ma jewosi. He bottom okundi ya. Or he bottom no mego. He go there last Sunday with medical store road. If you know medical store road, that's my uncle. He ever you. Either go to medical store road. He go there last Sunday, or I go to former principal Benedict College House. If he will pa. If the bomb boom, I know they make shakara. Or I will go to the other my mother's side. I work below my mama Harry Beyoma. Yeah, you work below my woman say, idiot, I'll be double. Right from time. He boy or Yemen. Retired CSP. Or Diasi. He boy. I say why he go phone. Ya tane. Obi Jomahi. Ari amen. He got said when I'm Bumada, where Baba, a brother, he will go there, or the amen. I'm an amen. It's your Baba, I'm an go. It say, oh, yet your way he. A coco say, he may gera igige, even not basuno. You know, he can ariel a niki, he may home. He am I beati, oh, we make bobo. He turn a bottle in a bow. Oh, a tea. Idiot veku no heke no mu botome ama ebie ye gbe party vari mela wa owe I what every day here no there owe we na cho pi papera obi we never ya no we gbe ajo ma na tie degbe nonsense owe Evi na yari we la wa na we na gbon he oreko we la social media unu we ade osene hu ide bode waza ya gbu wa ma we fit on it owari ababe no wo hai uda wo hai we ko no me eva no du we gele tono bole no bo eva no ri we la wa osene ya vie ide bode waza la dia ni aya ju wa se we tibe yi wa merare do we ya na ugi amunobo do to samosa ya ne ya merare do me yi papera ya bekere gigbere dewe bo no mi oya we la so bo o we ni se ba aruda je bo de wa se kai o we bi afefe no rak mo riri o we to so abaje Oma we na ya ria. O we na ya doloji. Ya isori ya. Rudan reko me. Wa enke kinu wa kuri. Osun egbosun. Sori asen o da wi gbe. O ma yo gere no ka gbe. Abati no wi oba se. Ona agbise edimu bo gbiviere. Ivie do ya fefefe. Work bay. Ona agbise yo. Ona ga ya se yo. Ahwe ya pe. We no na he. Ri won ya wegbe. O wie ma wegbe. We no na o bale ni yo mo mi. Okay bie. E dina o he di ona tota. E boya fe no wa tie ne do. Uwe wo ha we wi Kabati uwa Obaseki memo Obaseki agbeliwere omake to saba mario mone to ma onori again ma heke no lagwa motai otion tamame we no gbotion again no we no ladian Obaseki should come out and tell the world I want him to be fair tell the world that I am supporting gay I am a gay governor. I'm the first Nigerian gay governor. I am supporting gay. But I will clap for him. Faggot. Let Obaseki come and say, I'm a faggot. I'm supporting gay. I will not jail gay. You should go and tell Buhari. Buhari, I want to come clean, President Buhari. I am a gay. I am a gay. I want people to respect gay. They should remove death penalty for gay in Nigeria. So that in my Omana said to you, we should have called for his resignation. He should resign. Bana. Obaseki resign. Obaseki, he come to America every time. United States. If you think Obaseki, if you think he has not committed crime in America, let it come and me and him go to FBI. Which me and him should walk to the FBI. Let's go and dig our me and him. Let the FBI investigate me and investigate Obaseki and see if Obaseki will go back to Nigeria. Or I will be you why FBI mana huye why get more than amigo. Am I showing? I have veno to have. Obaseki, his brother Otion, Otamami, he brought that say, now gay, he told his wife, Betty, man, when they were given her anything you want, Obaseki, he had been a privileged child, gold and silver spoon. A guy also one a pie guy also one more pepe on a where you go have you. A company Aramu your born running your down, will run just stay down. Oh, running your down, pagayo. When his wife came, on a time it has a girlfriend. We a beer. Ocho time, and we ocho bottle later. Only by me, I get matter. Or Logone. And we a beer in our way. Only I was a moo. I might don't need to be a you in here. Or one of my maybe no yappy, no one am I gay. What can you about with you where? It's not a coincidence that specialist hospital no show me boy. Ordinary people cannot go there today for medical checkup. Tomorrow, yeah, poor Yaladia. Am I a swing? Even one with Baba Oshomule. Walao, if you don't have a friend, your friend. Give me quick. Walao. Emata, Agbeba. Even why your boy, Oshomule Yeke. Obaseki is a racist. But Obaseki is a racist. How can we be? You be resisting within Edo State. Mama Ebuse, we have a hule. Edo not equal. You want to drive Edo North and drive Edo Central. I will not support racism. Any government that is practicing racism will not stand in Edo State. So therefore, Governor Obaseki must go. Oh, bah. I will walk with my sweat. What is today's date? What will I time? Sunday, November 24. Mega Combat Investigator Officer Clementine Amigo Ebegbe, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide, the fearless freedom fighter, the tiger and the lion command, the Akataka one or Akataka or Katauna. I will work for Oshomule. And I will work for the people of Orewa and Edo State to make sure that I made Obaseki one-time governor. It was a mistake. Obaseki is a mistake governor. Fear. Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is a mistake governor. And the Bible and the word have told us that we should not repeat a mistake for the second time. We are not ready to repeat our mistake. Our war. Esuno. No we are boy ya wo for me aru don ba se ki ka mo shomule wa dedicate me. Wa bo wa pa ugbo mo na go put me for fun. Ya Allah haba bana ike mi ya o. Ebi ya ne je wan say o temero wa. Ya ti tewe ro egbe we lare bere baba mo to wa mo me. E adu era ugbo. E adu e apa si go. Oba ki ipo we yo egbe. Election akin abi e. Olowo abi e. Hey, iya kieru mo yi. Oketi pa on dirty. Oketi pa on dirty. Wa ma emie. Owe no ho ha ma wa de. Adede kalaka agba. Adede onana agba. Uru wa ya fefe wa. U wa ya ha mu me pepepe. Uru wa ime ahangi wa ya ru. Ime mewe ti na obi ogwehi. O naye. Ekela agbo we ogwehi. Wa me megbeyo. Waga me e kabaka na wiera agbina. We I do gbo kana yomoru. O na do gbe ra mi go yomoru. Obaseki we ga protete na do gbe ra mi go yomoru. Oyomule we yi waja gba we na do gbe ra wi yen no. Eti when ozeba ime segbe me iwa bo elpa isegbe abati noro awe iwa with abiera e Congo Congo Republic Democratic of Congo where we weke swan gwa where say a Congo ne a Congo where we are ready because Pasek is not coming second time everything is not coming everybody was a time Eboni Mudiana Wagaria, Uno Baseki power. If Oshomule today, if any governor come, I will go there and tell them, empower us, our traditional daughters. Empower Ewanamudiare do. Where me okiabo no Baseki eti there, well are Useno Fimoto, Nuke Zoboma de moto. Oroa yedo. Oroa. No Muriamo Basekiria. God will know your basaki. No Muriamuria. Okay, no molestic ba. Okay, Gane. From low molest to Aqua Tony. To Shaba. From Shaba to Kabaka. Now from Kabaka to no molest. Or if you do your fair have me rock. Where mammy got trainer. Where my hair I say no forame. Ne why ye or Laura. Where my peggy. Or more vetama. O Gina Piomonobu. Or Bawori or ye in a Godwin now, or why ye betray any kema, any kema, the rest of us a Godwin now, or wow, we susu. This Godwin of Paseki, your wow, we susu. And it been about Taiwa, Bina, or what, tear you what, Chihua, or your back, or your Rapana Wahau. Menori by Ramene, Iriva, have a very bomber, every what I say. Wagya what it is. Then I said, Baba, what talk bay, it was it. It was it. I always say, it am a hammer, long meta Yahweh. Oh, when of you above your deal. So, what? In me, are you walking? Erumoi. Are you walking of Amenoka? No, Vanoka me back to the bay. Edo State is not the only state in Nigeria. But Governor Godwin Obaseki have turned Edo State to war zone. Where I go? You wanna ban Obama baby? Can't hear it. Tomorrow is gonna be 3 hours. 3 hours, stand still. You people should go and get ready. 3 hours. Let me go straight to the point now. Even if we are killing, might be killing. Might killing. Yeah, brothers and sisters. Today's date is Sunday, November 24, 2019. No one is safe. No one safe in the hands of problem ATM machine Obaseki. Terrorist Albert Emite Obaze and Edo State, father of all demons. Social media mumu. Social media madman, Satan himself, Satan Oyomba Edwin Orohan Idaosa. Atrocity against innocent Edo citizen continues. They will not stop. It's like money rain that will not beat one man or one woman. And stop. They prey on those that are vulnerable. They are wild cat, wild animal, wild coyote, wild cheetah. They prey on your weakness. And they will look at you. These are parasites. Parasites that live in you. Eventually, they will kill you. They feed in you. They live in you. Governor, Ghost can win. Governor Ghost can win. Obaseki of Edo State is the manufacturer of problem ATM machine. We all Edo should come out and tell him enough is enough. Obaseki must go. Period. So add this to it. Abat. You have to come out. You apologize to the other people. I am don't think for one. Why Vama said, Wamanawe, no, what said. Why Towa, my Torima. When I will talk now, we will talk about. Obaseki, a mono wulo, a sagero, where to go and about. When your wife was in labor room, there was no blood. You did not go to private hospital because Obaseki have fed you yourself terrorist. No blood. You know the pain of labor room. How dare you be encouraging for Eddie Murphy to be sorting babies, generation cause. About Obase is a number one cause to Obaseki. The same day you came out, you said, I'm afraid of Osagbovo Yoa. I laugh at you. Osagbovo Yoa is my little brother. He might even be my junior. I did not come out and start insulting him. No. But I want him to know now, Osagbovo, you are on the wrong track, my brother. Turn around. Retrace your step. I saw a person that I respect, Austin V. Boot. Mami Gani, or he's smart, or he's clever. They tell him make him speak. He say no, he just Austin V. Boot, not tell me. Obaseki Uderewa. No more less, or Chioeno. Obaseki Monda. And Osakpoma no more less Monda. They are family. They are family. Even Kabaka, they are family. My brother, Oshomole, Edo way, Oba way is the right way. As Abatobase have injected the energy of Uromi into this politics, we will remind how Obaseki refused to reinstate Onojo of Uromi. We will remind them. We will remind them. So, for you, about Obase brother, if you know this woman, I want everybody to tell me. This woman, she's a good woman. I don't know her. Her name is Sarah Obase Ugo. If you know this woman, please tell her to call me. If you know, please, if you are watching, give me a call. +1 469 618 2990. If you know this lady, or if you are this lady, please give me a call at 469 618 2990. Send me your name before you come. I have information about this fraudster. FBI need to investigate him. He's a fraudster. He committed marriage fraud. The reason why he's still in your marriage is because he want to get his citizenship first. So, Abba brother, you know, this is him right here. It's a scammer. It's a fraudster, a cultist. Notorious cultist. It's a notorious cultist. It's a terrorist. So FBI need to investigate him very well. The woman don't know who he married. This is him right there. This is marriage fraud. Look at him. That is Abat junior brother. So I want to tell this lady that he should tell this boy to prove that he really love her. Smart Ugo Obase. It's a fraud. It's hook. He a hook. That is fraud marriage. Marriage fraud. Get hook. He thought he immediately get to America, they will just give him back citizen. He hook. It's a fraudster. And if you have any information about him, acknowledge. WhatsApp it to me. Don't call, just WhatsApp it to me. So I want his date of birth that is in his document. I want his complete real name. I will notify the FBI. I work for the law enforcement agency. I'm a whistleblower. America said, when you see something, you see something. If you see any illegal activity, notify the law enforcement agency. Who will have one chance? Me and you will go to the FBI. Go to the FBI. How you stay in Mexico, where you work in Mexico, the fraud you committed, you and your brother entity, and Dennis Deco Idausa. You remember that guy that they caught in Dubai? That is Deco, and they already released him. Dennis Deco Idausa, you are involved. Everything will be out. We do not need a scammer. After what you did to Oshomole helped you. Oshomole did everything for you, but you now went and tell your own brother, senior brother, to be insulting Oshomole and insulting the two people. Then his Deco Idausa must resign. Or resign. Or most of was in that seat. He did not insult one person. Then his Deco Idausa must resign. And about Obaze, you are a terrorist. You say you want to kill me, and I will send your name to State Department along with evidence. You don't have a visa. If you mistakenly get a visa, you come to United States. I am going to make sure you are sent back home. Number one. After Obaseki lose, I don't know where you will go. You cannot go to Europe. If you go to Europe, me, I will come there. Or my children. I have children everywhere. They will come there and say, who were for, who were fry, who were for. Who were for, who were here, where you that said that person when marry, if you live in wife, he labor with the help the service on. Now your own neighbor will help the service. Very soon. Very soon. When I be say, he say, ye a bonediti ye iviere, when I will more logo or more, when I will or more logo. So you want to when I speak on the people of Asa about Obase, you injected the audio of Uromi, you were caught the video, you were cutting it, doctoring it. You are in big trouble. I told Honorable Sabo where you are that your strategy is not a winning strategy. I told you. It's time I want to it's time I wear. Well, why I call Remy, no why the Canada, no why to bear for everything. Why to bear for Able Stone, where one Remy, where handsome be. Mamma will have any botoni, where one Remy, where why the London or why the America do relax. Was say, it Godwin, it Godwin, bad win, no. Was a mania. Imeni even usana no sana na megbe oba se ku sana na megbe no u afia ebe o potokpo usana na me oba se ki is a matches that wet. He cannot lie. Ebe God oba se ki usana na megbe ebe imewa megbe. All I want from Oshomole people, I need 10 people, 10 people on social media that will work with me. We will torpedo these people. Me and draw more for one right now. And Voice of Justice. The Voice of Justice don't hear what I say. Don't hear what I say. Only one I hear above you, I will hear above you. I will tell. Except anybody that support Obaseki there, don't drop in Lagos. Go and build international airport in Benin. A federal, yeah, what anyway? I worry anyway. Oshomole, I worry anyway. Worry any immigration. We are told we go. Where said though, you are going straight to DSS in Abuja. When that time you will not know before you support Obaseki. Know the consequences. Except Obaseki build international airport for Benin. A gun, a DSS worry. Many DSS at the move airport. If I'm coming to Nigeria, let me say it again. The offer, Obaseki, they offer me to come to Nigeria, that they will drive me from the airport to government house, take a picture, do this, do that. I say, we will do that. I say, look at it. Even a few days ago, tomorrow I will say it. They send me a text message. Hey, Mega Comrade, sorry, we have not. I say, look at them. We don't know. For the people, we are waiting for approval. Approval? You are not approval. Chief of staff not tell me say they approval. I will read the text message tomorrow. Ina we ginyana. Aga ira me we ho ama mi teme obie. Ira no we ho ama mi teme obie. Why is it fioma ufie gbo? I will show you the message tomorrow. I will read it out. Eretiane meme. Ime aseti gwe mata ho. E mata aseti gwe ho. Oba talk be Well, hold on, when you make your Eddie is not supposed to even close to the palace. Eddie is lad yankele fi begegwa. Ona with baya wame, ona re boy, ona eto vebo negwa, o ma vebo negwa. Or of boy, ya be video ni wa hoe. Velo ya vebo ma vebo negwa. A video ni gwe me. In a vem boy or ye boy, Obama ya vem boy, you boy or ye boy. Then ona we will ba. Itai ina we ukona. Ina we ukona. E we no ge data edimari igbe latia. E kono hwa oresi. E ma yete wa plan yin ana wa amigo extortion. O wa ti o we case na. When una tie di na di boyen no ogun ba. Ogun ba. From now on, cause Eddie, you gile wa ogun ba. We take a guy wa tota o back here. Ere mai wa tota o wan ogun ba Eddie. Ah, Edo here dem mo Eddie o kan ka boyen no wa. Eddie no wo hot on. Yeah, wa wo reta. Una go to reta mi ro. Tayiro. Ye pe no wa. Ahwe. E boya fefe na ditie not in here. Ona roviye me. Ona rovie a family me. O weti yin mo kokoire. Ami mo paramata ahwe ya gunkan. We turning we allow e boya fefe no tie won yuwe. Won egbewe. Won wo han ni gbe agia e oyi. O wo han ma we na allow we ra to aru lelele me. Obo ta mata ma we. Imase yoy. Ofuru we yari ni. Ni me wa we me vitamin. O ya do pa ni wa we won sire ira ma wa modia ira ra ze ge ko fa la ayo ba tope o ko ma ha mo we vi la we a I me I ga go ni be ka we me o mata ma we awa be yo a e bonu tie e unwera vi yue wo ha we e oje o ha na total we na ati yi me gbe aga yi me ira mo ba wa e me pe ave we na be accuse ne go lo ye kiye. Uwe fona, uwe fo, or twin Dennis must resign. From next month, from January, January can pay for Dennis to resign. We don't want a fraudster. A boy wet here born our via, Yemiaya will manager of that campaign. Dennis Idausa must resign. Uwe more like one chance. Where? Uwe more like one chance, itamwa. Well, so Italimero, awa kwa gaga. E boya fefe no ti won paseki. Won wo han. O again me ma say yo e wol hulele di me we yari wo wa. Me ayari wo ko we me wa yari ashawo, iwa agwala ashawo we Russia. Iwa agwala pa mo. Me wari ashawo o wa confirm. For me to marry that kind woman, I will marry a confirmed prostitute better. Iwa we o wari license. Iri lawa after all ihoya wa meze de mama de kesoni la wa professional one no wa megbe no ya bie tie me wa do color yo o money me wa like wa ya wa biele I do color yo ihoya e mate wata so me mege ma hu dana ave igbe aga no wa ro isagin ni supported ni ma wo. I mean condition prostitution. Obaseki condition prostitution. Nigeria economic condition prostitution. If you ever make beni ayak bashawo, a condition no. A condition no. Where iladian owo ku we yen yupo a, owo kan di owo ku we re upo. We uni pe aro kaleke ayo. We not tie boyo. Do ma re o ma we rons. O di me Aramiewe as a swinier. He report to my chief Ayobahan long time ago. Ona come away your beer money. Away your beer. When I bound Ayobahan or Baseki or Rwaya Ruirima or Wagbo Roma. But when Mahame in my way, Agbo Roma. With family do ya boy. Mela tota. Me a total go chief total. Ma area if you boy up my ye. Obo ha won go no worry we are down one. O ha go we a go chief ayo ba hari I work mapa. Oh we nonsense. Oh we ayo ba ha. We ye. where yeah low boy are you not until you come out and apologize a baby or it maybe a baby why video where 10 hours yeah that make it in and time we return back to sender. So if you do ni bon amoha a day above you wire one more or I better or do really egua or do real egua ma giwa day to where home me makam where you where you are where you are water name of face edi water name of face mari go go in Nigeria o mari go where e mo face is one arrow few pege guare in a block when I when my block on a Facebook who you there you na a picture when I get picture when I read Facebook o yan ba here di o yan ba who we he wo number 1 o yan ba. So, no yedu. Oshomule, Kobe Conson. Kobe Conson, I am for Oshomule. Kobe Conson, I am for Odubu. Kobe Conson, I am for Chief Victor Ekato, is my brother. Otemewaro. Yes. Otemewaro, Itamara, Otemeru Wegwaba. Itamawa. Otemewaro, I always say that. Yes. Kobe Conson, if you are going to my affair, wood, or tell me, if you are there, tell me how good I'm done. No sense. Okay, who? If you were, if you go, don't go away here, man. You want Papa, you what I area will go. What about Oje? Tell Korea, whatever, but what so area. Anywhere that we go, anywhere Iranomigo go, as I'm pulling my support, forget about anything. If desirable is not available, you let your availability become desirable. We are all for Oshomule. I am an independent minded man. I will tell my party chairman everything. Let us wire KUPPO, KYAU, Kakodo, Mayawari, K, or Wonpa. Anybody but Obaseki. You have it, Tiaga. Let everybody stand still. Anywhere that we go, I go. I have thousands and millions of followers. Yeah, we go. Yeah, tare. You want to hear go dematari. Udemata makialele. Ofo. Okbobona. We give me book biviere ne. When I read video, where? As in, we bogerene. Where you wele? Oh, what boy? Owo ha uki when I'm when I tie me when I tie say ewa na tie yogere ye we le video we agwa gwara ni pe ikun se je pe ona tie ewa mudia agwa pe di video we gwara re ona we ewa we na ari owo una ari ele area where as I went more where he were area where hold on connect what connect hold on connect it when ya wa baba wa fi uniform yo o ya hia ye ba ya hun o kede mo ne ba oko ya ze nawa amudia abato ba se ori gbogere ne ye na pa ona ya mogo ona do a die. I die. What are you? Orim abato baze terrorist. Orim me boy tie. Iya waji viere ne yene hule. Ona ya gbogba gage. Area where as a table was area where me bono bo here there or your relay. Ah, now so that they do you go kill another person, you go do another. I tell you and say this PFM, I say my family, my children, everything. Now we all dey inside. So anytime when you attack me, I go attack your children back because now all my family they suffer. You know if you had your family when you they insult other. I talk not talk my people. I talk itai. Every Mary Yime family ya suffer while you na or team wu mama sagin. Or wu we medical or wu we fa Joshon or wu mama sagin or one wu. ake wa pagbe Obaseki gbele Godwin Obaseki bo na odi America we na odi no do gbeme kila gbo wa yo me gbe yo so fa na wa mi go ya ticket me o wa re bo e no gbeme Obaseki ga ire o gbeme ko no de pa o ka gbeme imi akin Ọlọ́run ma yo egbe itobo ya akin ayo egbe ya akin Obaseki itobo ya akin itobo yo egbe itobo ya akin ayo egbe we e no wo re we ma no wulo wo re won no ya me ma governorship na awie no awe mo ile okin ba no okin ba ne ma kan me itane e joma ha ma mo ke wu owera awe ologbo sere oba kawaye owo Obaseki obidodo forame ani hime no kwa ina me ega no wo forame no wo forame ekole le meyo do iwa ta ekole le meyo kila gbogbo ya wa me gbe yo Obaseki wa me gbe yo uwa pa abati we awa chance ne we gi me bo gbegere ne we no e bi lu balomo ye we no ru balomo ye we no e mo lo ru wo pa ma te bi una ari yo bi una ari yo bi if you the cause Rosalie no tap who you the cause tap am quick abati wo ti bona ti e okay abati wo ti bona okay so abati yi gbo yere re o mi mo gbo yere ne ona pa na ari ogele awo ogbo yere ri ogele we ri owo ma na bi ko edimofi ona ari ogo ma bi ko wana kon wale ibi edo ya fefefe iya mo we gbe pe wọ́n wẹ́rẹ̀ pé pẹ̀yẹ wá dámi yọ. ọmọ náà bá ṣe kí yẹn wí ọmọ àgọ́ wa sọ ọmọ àgọ́ wa bá. yẹ́wù yẹn wà áwùdá yẹ́wù yẹn wà.
lẹ́yìn ìgbé tààrẹ yàwó ìtàrẹ wà sọ ìtàrẹ wà bá ló máa bó ti yẹn ló máa mú jẹ́yọ̀ yéke lẹ́jọ́ yà máa. Waya su uko masuru nitaita imaleda wabila wabiyu
my people God bless you okay bye bye till tomorrow till tomorrow